Hi! In this video, we'll be covering the difference between your courses and CodeHS courses when creating a new section. So first, we'll go in and create a new section. When creating a new section, the first thing you'll do is come up with a name for your section. So let's say I'm teaching period 4 Intro Python. Next. So here we see the difference between your courses and CodeHS courses. Your courses are courses that you're already teaching, and perhaps you've added new assignments to these courses or made edits to the existing assignments in these courses. Things like which assignments are assigned, when they're due, how many points they're worth, these kinds of things. So far I'm teaching an Intro.js course for the 2019 school year, a Python course for the 2019 school year, and an AP Computer Science A course for the 2019 school year. If I would like to reuse this course and have the same exact settings applied to my new section, then I would choose one of these. If I would like to start fresh from an existing CodeHS course template, then I would go down and choose one of the brand new courses from scratch. Since I'm teaching Intro Python and I would like to use the exact same settings as the course I'm already teaching, I'll go ahead and choose my Python course. Now that I do this, the assignments here will inherit the exact same settings that I've set in my other course.